Hello everybody, welcome to our fourth tutorial. Now today's segment we'll be looking at entering formula. That's what we're looking at today. Today's segment we're looking at entering formula. Now entering formula. It says a formula is a mathematical calculation that may contain numbers, cell reference, and mathematical operators. The basic mathematical operators and rules of procedure apply to an Excel formula. These operators are similar to those found in most an electronic spreadsheet and brackets and high school algebra textbook. Example: in a formula 3 plus 4 times 5, the 3 plus 4 operation or operator is performed before multiplying the sum by 5 because it appears in parentheses. List the common mathematical operators. As for the rules of procedures, Excel calculates what appears in parentheses first. Multiplication and division operations into brackets from left and right secondly, and lastly addition and substitution again left and right. Now before we try our hands on something, I'd like us to look at this, performing some basic calculations as far as what formulas are concerned. Remember, I told you that in Excel, before you perform calculation, anytime you are performing calculation, you need to bring an equal to sign to inform Excel that you want to perform calculation. Now this is what we did under some income statement. I'll leave a link at the top here where you can go back and watch our previous video. But today, as I said, we're looking at performing, how they call it, calculation or formulas. Now let's try this. I'd like you to move to cell A1 and type 45, and then in cell A2 type 23, so A3 type 14, 25, and then 26. Then I'd like you to move to cell B1. So B1 type 12, type 15, type 17, type 11, and the last one, let's try 25. It's okay. So what I like us to do is this: we are going to look at some basic mathematical operators. Now in cell C, I would like all of us to multiply A and B. We are going to multiply A and B in cell C. So to do that, you bring the equal to sign. So it's going to be A1. So to bring the multiplication sign, you hold on to shift, you press 8. So this is the sign, the star symbol is for the multiplication sign. So equal to A and B multiply by, so multiply A and B, so that is B, so A1 by B1. You press enter, and this was, so you do the same thing to all. Let's try. So it's going to be A2 by B2. So the next one is going to be equals to A3 by B3. The next one is going to be equal to A4 by B4. This one is going to be equal to A5 by B5. So that is just that. So that is the multiplication side. Someone say, so you can use, don't worry, I'm taking you through the basic, then we come to that. That's the auto format feature, we come to, don't worry. Then the next one we're looking at, I said in D, subtract A from B. So in D, let us subtract A from B. In D, let us subtract A from B. So it's going to be subtract A from B. So it's going to be equal to B1 minus A1. Press enter. Equals to B2 minus A2. Press enter. Equals to B2 minus, B3 rather, B3 minus A3. Press enter. Equals to B3, so B4 minus A4 equals to again B5 minus A5. So this is it. So they said in D, subtract, how did I get it right? In D, subtract A from B. Okay, basically that is just that. Let's move to the next thing. It said in E, add A and B. So you can use this method. You can choose to type equal to and use sum, okay, into bracket, okay, sum into bracket A1 column B1. Then you close the bracket to press enter. Or you can also use the basic one everybody knows, equal to A1 plus, you see this method, plus B1. You can use this also, but I always prefer this is B2 already, so it's going to be equal to A2 plus B2. Okay, but I always prefer this, which is equal to sum. I love using the sum because when I'm performing an if function without a sum, I'll find myself wanting. So you should also learn that. Okay, so what am I doing? So it's going to be A3, sorry about that, column B3. Okay, then you close the bracket, press enter. I do the same thing here, equal to A4 equal to sum to bracket A4 column B4. So sum A5 column B5. Then you close the bracket to press enter. So that is just, let's look at the last one. Now in F, it says to subtract, so deduct, divide A by B. You should divide A by B, so it's going to be equal to B1 slash divide A by B, so B1 slash A1. See, come here, equal to B2 slash divided by A2 equal to B3 divided by A3 equal to B4 divided by A4. We have equal to B5 divided by A5. Press enter. So we have this nicely. So this ends our current simulation of entering kind of like formulas. So you can see, so this how to use. If you want to see the formulas, you can click here and the formula will display in the formula bar. When you click here also the formula, when you click here also the formula will display in the formula bar for you nicely. When you click on addition, the formula will display, and that is just that nicely. I hope you can see that. So basically that is just that, and thank you for watching. Catch you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.